Tang khyndiat kynta hadien ke jingpynbthei bom ha Khyndailad ki Pulit ki lakem yu wei briew bala kambo de area commander jong ke Seng HNLC ka kirwo ni ki Pulit ka ong ba hadien ke jingto okit ke bastet lakem yu u ba na ga ye jong u la yo ban kurup bru yo bom u bom pat Pynbthei labun gdo hang ni bu bom IED u bom da klein bor u la bthei ha Khyndailad ha jan center point ha ka life hotere u kala lingkot arja r4r hagani ke jingja option dan la minsau ba dia ke kam la kam bala Pynbthei de ke HNLC Nagaliang uba lakmen rumboy ulay thu halor jingi okem ki Pulit yaw badan kti hakati ka kam.
Police act swiftly to identify the culprit, and within a very few hours, the police could identify the person suspected to be responsible for this crime there in Khyndailad, and ultimately he have been picked up. And through his confession, primary confession, that the police came to know that there are some other bomb which is hidden somewhere, and that led to the recovery of some bomb, and one is a live bomb, which ultimately defused by the bomb squad of the police department. And while the investigation is on, the police have now also one suspect accomplice of that fellow, and he also been picked up for interrogation to get into the bottom of this case. So, but the first one which have been picked up, he is still below 18 years. So the police have to proceed, taking into consideration also the Justice Tribunal Act, which is prevailed in our country. So I am very hopeful that, as I said before, that the police, through the investigation, they will be able to break this nexus, and now all those are responsible in this dastardly act or cowardly act of those people.